Let me get it out.
Okay.
Get another.
Clutch repair.
Let's see if this thing. Let's just rock it a little on that back car over there. Rock it just a tad, Nate. Still good. Set off here. Okay. All right, Jeff, let's see. Just these. Let me see, make sure I've got, is there something? Work it right over there, Jeff. Let's see. Let me jack it up. Is it moving?
Yes, sir. It's moving.
Don't want to get too high.
Pry bar here.
Yeah. Hold on. I got one right here. What I need. Alright, just Here you go, Jill.
Okay.
Take this bar right here. Go over on that side.
Now, where do you want me to pry?
Just
Between the-
kinda, yeah, right there.
It's not gonna hurt to pry on that gear.
No.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, just easy, ready. Alright, easy right there. There, then. Just easy. Hold on. Not too much, just a little bit at a time. How about our lines? Are we all clear?
Yes, sir. Nothing's attached over here at all.
Let's go back a little. That's good. I can get to it right there. That's good.
Ta-da! Check it out.
Yeah.
Old Blue has been taken apart.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I hit the start button.
Oh, did it start?
Oh, yeah, I hit start. That would have been embarrassing.
Yeah.
All right, this is Mr. Tim Cobb,
Yeah.
tractor extraordinaire. Yes, sir. After
I'm gonna take that clutch off.
40 plus years, several thousand hours, the clutches need to be fixed, replaced. And old Tim's the man that can do it.
You throw out there and
Uh-huh.
get one of those. We'll get one of those.
That's something else. Yeah, I would not have. Oh, no. There's no video on YouTube that would have got me through that. Oh, that is something else.
Yeah. let me,
So is that the hard part?
that's the hard part.
Oh, happy day.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
I go to church with Tim.
Yeah, 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 that's the hard part.